Cabbage. It's that humble, leafy vegetable you've seen at the grocery store 100 times. Maybe you've had it in a salad, enjoyed it fermented as kimchi or sauerkraut, or tasted it in a hearty bowl of soup. But did you know that cabbage is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with remarkable health benefits? Today, we're exploring 10 amazing things cabbage does for your body. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your digestive health, or even manage your weight, cabbage could be the secret ingredient you've been overlooking. Let's dive into the wellness wonders of cabbage and discover why this affordable, versatile vegetable deserves a starring role in your diet. First up, cabbage is loaded with essential nutrients. A single cup of chopped cabbage contains vitamin C and K, fiber, folate, and small amounts of other vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. This impressive nutrient profile supports your body in countless ways, from building strong bones to fortifying your immune system. Plus, cabbage is low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to eat nutrient-dense foods without overloading on calories. Benefit number 2. Cabbage is a powerful immune booster. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, cabbage helps your body fight off infections and keeps your immune system functioning at its best. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, aids in the production of white blood cells, and supports wound healing. Including cabbage in your meals can help you stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Third, cabbage supports digestion and gut health. It's a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. But cabbage does even more for your gut. It contains compounds that feed the beneficial bacteria in your intestines, supporting a healthy microbiome. Fermented cabbage products like sauerkraut and kimchi are especially good for gut health, as they introduce probiotics, living bacteria that further enhance digestion and strengthen your body's defenses. Number 4 on our list. Cabbage is a heart-healthy food. Research shows that the anthocyanins, a type of powerful antioxidant found in red and purple cabbage, help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of cabbage can help manage cholesterol levels, thanks to its soluble fiber content, and may even help reduce the risk of heart disease. If you're looking for ways to keep your heart strong, cabbage is a delicious and affordable ally. Benefit number 5. Cabbage may help lower your cancer risk. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage are rich in compounds called glucosinolates. When you chew or chop cabbage, these compounds break down into biologically active substances, such as indoles and isothiocyanates, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. While more research is needed in humans, regularly eating cabbage and its cruciferous cousins, like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, could play a role in cancer prevention. 6. Cabbage can help you manage your weight. With its high fiber content and low calorie count, cabbage is incredibly filling. Eating foods that are high in fiber helps you feel satisfied longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Cabbage is also versatile and can be used in salads, soups, stir-fries, and wraps, making it easy to incorporate into a variety of healthy meals that keep you on track with your weight management goals. Number 7. Cabbage promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins found in cabbage, particularly vitamins C and E, help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C, in particular, is crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful-looking. Including cabbage in your diet may help reduce signs of aging and keep your skin glowing. 8th, cabbage supports strong bones. Just 1 cup of cabbage provides about 85% of your daily vitamin K needs. Vitamin K is essential for bone health, helping your body maintain bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. It also plays a crucial role in blood clotting, ensuring that your body can heal wounds efficiently. If you're concerned about osteoporosis or simply want to keep your bones strong as you age, cabbage is a smart addition to your diet. Benefit number 9. Cabbage may help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in cabbage slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling tired and hungry. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cabbage, like anthocyanins, may even improve insulin sensitivity. For people managing diabetes or looking for ways to stabilize energy levels throughout the day, cabbage is a wise choice. And finally, number 10. Cabbage is a natural detoxifier. It contains sulfur compounds and antioxidants that support your liver's ability to remove toxins from the body. The high water content of cabbage also helps flush out impurities and keeps you hydrated. Including cabbage regularly in your meals can support your body's natural cleansing processes, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. So, how can you make the most of cabbage's incredible health benefits? It's easier than you think. Add shredded cabbage to salads for a crunchy twist, or toss it into stir-fries, soups, and stews for extra flavor and nutrition. Try fermenting it at home to make your own sauerkraut or kimchi, which amplifies its gut-friendly properties. And don't be afraid to experiment. Roasted, steamed, or even grilled cabbage can be absolutely delicious. To sum it up, cabbage is more than just a side dish. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports your immune system, digestion, heart health, and more. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or fermented, adding cabbage to your meals is an easy and budget-friendly way to boost your well-being. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the cabbage. Pick one up and give your body the gift of lasting wellness.
If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed wellness information. And if you have your own favorite cabbage recipes or tips, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.